Digital Strategy Implementation, Award Status Data. The NIHR Digital Data and Technology Office is working with partners across the research landscape to improve data sharing and streamline services for users. Improved data sharing will reduce the burden on researchers that comes with duplicated data entry and will support a clear and guided path from study design through setup, approval, delivery, and dissemination. Working across the NIHR, we have delivered new functionality within our IT systems that takes us one step closer to this vision. In time, researchers will benefit from accelerated end-to-end research, while research system teams will be able to better track study progress, provide proactive support where required, and better measure research impact and value. We have built a digital link that enables the Research Awards Lifecycle Management System, RELMS, to share funding data with the Central Portfolio Management System, CPMS. Data sharing is done by the NIHR Simple Integration Platform, NSIP, a message bus that allows different systems to communicate and share data. This means the functionality is in place to enable us to link to other funding and research systems in the future. The data received is displayed in a new dashboard built into ODP, our Open Data Platform. The received funding information is added to the CPMS study record and displayed to researchers applying for Clinical Research Network or CRN support through the Non-Commercial Portfolio Application Service. This removes the need for researchers to pass an award letter from one NIHR team to another. We have also built an eligibility support tool that uses the funding award data received to calculate whether a newly funded study is eligible for CRN support. The calculated eligibility outcome is displayed in ODP to support the eligibility review process. When the funding for a study is sent via the new digital link, users will experience 50% faster eligibility decisions, enabling quicker communication of decisions so researchers can access support earlier, a 50% reduction in processing time, freeing staff capacity to provide additional support, a 60% reduction in the number of emails sent per study, and an 81% reduction in invalid submissions, with no more queries about insufficient funding information. In future, it's hoped that this first step can be enhanced to deliver a more automated eligibility process, used by all NIHR funders and our partners. For further information and details of how to become involved, visit the Digital Office site or email digitaltransformation@nihr.ac.uk.